In this video, we'll discuss how to install YouTube on Smart TV. So if you have a Smart TV, there's a high chance that on default, you will already have a YouTube on your TV. So if you still don't have this, what you can do is you can head over and then download it. You can head over to your Google Play Store and locate YouTube from there and then download it. You can also go over to your browser and type youtube.com in order to use it. Now, in order to install it, you can first head over and on your TV, select the YouTube app. If you don't have it, head over to your Google Play Store or App Store. From there, click on search for YouTube. And once you have searched for it, make sure to install YouTube onto your TV. And after that, you can proceed to watch your YouTube TV and then sign in again and then start watching videos. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down as well. Thank you so much for watching.